Today we're visiting the South Cape May Meadows Preserve, managed by the Nature Conservancy. Located at a critical point on the Atlantic Flyway, the 200-acre preserve is a haven for native and migratory birds and many other wildlife species. It offers 2 miles of foot trails, an observation tower, and an 80-foot floating bird blind with birding field guides. There are some cute paintings inside. Right now, they're in the process of adding a half-mile accessible boardwalk trail, which will be open by the summer of 2024. I hope you enjoyed seeing this beautiful place in southern New Jersey. Thanks for watching.